Hey BuddyBoss guys, how's it going? My name is Gustavo. I've purchased your product, both the platform and the theme, about a year ago, and it's been an incredible experience, man. All I can say is that I fell in love with it instantly because I had no idea what a online course platform looked like, and I was introduced to you by a friend of mine, which today is a partner, and he already knew your work, and he's been following it since the very beginning. And when he showed it to me, just the platform, I already loved it because of how easy it is for all students to interact, how easy it is for them to connect each other, to share stuff on the news feed, how close it is to Facebook, how close it is to a standard or a regular social media platform. And it creates a sensation, a feeling of community, which is very important when you study online, because studying online is a lonely activity. But through your platform, it is not as lonely as it would be. And I'm just talking about the platform, and it was amazing, man. And then my partner came with the theme, and I didn't know what the theme was because I'm not a tech guy. I'm the teacher in the platform. I'm an English teacher, right? So, and my partner came to me and said, "Look, there's this theme. Check this out." I'm normally a very stubborn person, and I'm not so open for changes, and I was already happy with the platform. But then when he showed me the theme, I was like, wow, man, this is so clean. And then it was so much better. So it was, what was already good became even better. And then it was so clean, the profiles, the display, the layout, it got so much better. And I've already said in another questionnaire I filled out and submitted to you that I've got so many comments about the platform, and they call it the platform, but they're talking about the whole thing, the combo, the platform and the theme. And they just make a very good background profile picture. They just, all those faces, they're all so organized, and they start interacting with each other, and the theme makes everything so intuitive. It's so user-friendly. It's clean. It looks good. They never been in a platform. They have never studied online. The moment they get into the platform, they know everything they have to do. I don't spend time showing them what to do. I recorded a video, right? A video tour about the platform for my students. But they watch it very, very, very rarely because there's no need. It's just there in case they need, but they already know how to use it. That's how cool your platform is. It saves us so much time, and I really couldn't be happier about it. It's amazing. I'm really glad about it. It's the biggest, not the biggest, the most important investment we've done. I've built a studio. I've purchased equipment to have my own studio, a desktop, very good computers, good performance computers. But when it comes to the platform and to the product, the fact that we bought your product and then we put our course within your platform with the BuddyBoss theme, this was the most important decision we've made. And I think that so far in Brazil, nobody has anything like it. It makes us feel very special. And when people come to our platform, new customers, and they say, I already bought that course, and I'm coming to you now, didn't work with them, and they say, it's amazing. Your platform is amazing. It doesn't look like the other guys. And yeah, guys, thank you very much. I'm a client, very happy client, and a fan of your work. Keep up the good work, guys. You take care. Bye-bye.